Purposelessness is one of the biggest issues I see amongst young men. I know when I'm not clear on my mission, the mission that God has given me, and the purpose He has over my life, as Jeremiah 29:11 says, for He knows the plans that He has over us to prosper us, not to burden us. When I'm not aligned with that, I know how depressing times can get. And a wise man says that a man with no purpose distracts himself with pleasure, which has proven true time and time again. So that's why in this video, I just wanted to cover the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to discover your God-given purpose, using the gifts, talents, and abilities that He's given you, and also how to live it out. So this is going to be the ultimate guide. I don't know how exactly long it's going to be, but stick until the end because I'll tell you guys how much it's changed my life. So the first step for sure is to get into alignment, right? I believe that we all have a purpose to expand the kingdom, backed up by Matthew 6:33. Seek His kingdom first, and all things will be added, which test His word. It's true every single time. Our God is a good God. But how do you actually do that, right? The tangible, practical way that He's shown me in my life is by asking yourself three questions. Okay. Number one, to get clear on that purpose, right? Again, we all have the same, like the Great Commission, spread the gospel, build His kingdom, expand it, right? But ask Him what He's called you to do. This will get you clear on the purpose to align with your spirit, right? The very essence, the reason why He's put you on this planet. I know for me, it's to share the light of Christ. It's to serve Him. It's to love my neighbor and love Him with all my heart, soul, mind, and strength, and to be a good steward of my gifts, right? Amongst many, many more. But if you ask Him, you'll receive it, right? I want you to grab out a notebook right now, pray up in the spirit, pause this video if you have to, and ask yourself that question. Whatever drops on your heart, right? I've done this process multiple times. It's always the same answer because what's in the dark will come to light, right? So you have your purpose. What's your mission? As men, it's so important to get clear on a mission so you're not falling off track, right? I believe that being with the Lord is more than enough, and naturally, that's probably why you're led to this video. But at the same time, I do believe that we need to be seeking Him and our purpose, like the purpose He has over our lives, and He's not withholding that from you, right? It's not a short term like outcome. That's like one solid goal, but it's also not as far out as you think, right? You can get clear on it right now. So the next question, I mentioned three questions, is what are you passionate about? I believe that, and we're gonna cover this more deeply, but I believe that your passion is a God given gift, right? I think about the parable of talents, where, you know, I believe that passion are one of them, right? The desires that He's put into your heart, what you love and are lit on fire by, it's a blessing. He wants us to walk in that fulfillment, that fullness in His purpose, and ultimately it'll help you get clear on your plan. So ask yourself, what are you passionate about, right? For me, that's content, that's Christ centered personal growth, that's, the gym, that's spreading the gospel, sharing my faith authentically. And a good example, as you guys could already tell, is what I'm doing right now, right? Living in your passions is what gets you up in the morning, especially knowing that you're doing it for a higher purpose, right? I wake up, 6 a.m., 6:30 today because, I'm on 4 hours of sleep. But the reason why I'm so energized is, of course, the gym, but also because I know I'm living out my passion. And it's like the vehicle He wants to use to bring out that purpose, right? How am I serving Him? How am I sharing my faith? How am I being the light? I believe He's using me as a vessel and using my passion that He gave me that I was born with, right? He has the plan over your life from the beginning of time, right? He sees into the future. All you got to do is get into alignment with it, right? So your passion is a big part of that, and it aligns with your soul, with your mind. Like, what do you love? And it's amazing. You got to be living in your purpose and passions daily, right? And we're gonna get into how to actually implement it. So I'm really excited for this video, right? The next step is getting clear on your skills because with all this said, right, we still live in a physical world. We still have a physical body. I still have two physical hands to work with, right? Filming it on a physical phone. So He has also given us skills on top of a purpose and a passion, right? So one side note is we want to align with all three forces. Oftentimes I see people like align with their, only their skills, but then later on they have to start a passion project, or they're unfulfilled even if they make a bunch of money with just their skills, or they're living in it, they're being a functioning member of society. Of course that's great, right? But God also gave you a purpose and a passion. Same thing, if you're only in your passion, right, there's no like tangible way to support that mission, and you're not using everything that he gave you, right? You don't want to be a starving artist per se. And your purpose, it's like, okay, we have a purpose, but how do we carry it out? So you want to use those three forces to align with that full picture, right? Asking yourself what you're good at in terms of skills, and that way you're fully aligning, right? We are also trinities too, in a way of you will be aligning your body, your soul, and your spirit all in one, and whatever comes out from that will have God's favor on it. You're going to love it every single day, and you're going to be good at it. That is true alignment with his purpose. Okay. So once you're clear on that and you've written all down, take as much time as you need. Honestly, I spent like 1 to 2 days on it in total because I really wanted to get clear. But I'm telling you, if you ask God those questions, he wants to give it to you freely, and it kind of sets the direction to walk in, right? Along with the tangible steps that I'm going to carry out, that I'm going to tell you to carry out. So once you're clear on that, we want to get focused because it gives you a big picture, of course, like your full picture, your full alignment, your kingdom purpose is outlined now. But it can kind of get overwhelming. It's like I have all this, but how do I actually implement it starting today? And honestly, this process changed my life overnight, and it's been so fruitful. So God is good. But you want to first of all outline a mission statement. So I just summarized what that purpose is so I could reflected on it before I recorded this video to ground me. But also defining your goals, right? Your short term, medium term, and long term goals that are in alignment with it. But more importantly, before that, your focus, like your main focus project from it. What do I mean by that? Ask him how he could use your passion, especially because, for me, it's been a passion project. So content, right? What I love doing, it acts as a vehicle to bring that purpose towards the world, because I believe that, we can't have that purpose if we're not in the body of Christ. We can't do it by ourselves. I think you can, but like for me, it's been serving others with it, right? Asking myself what passion, like how can I align with my passion to carry out that purpose while also using my skills to complement that mission. From there, you get clear on, whatever short term, medium term, long term goals. To give you an example, you know, the purpose is obviously to stay intimate with the Lord and get closer to him. Like that's above all. So you're making sure to walk in the spirit, walk the narrow path, constantly be growing with him, right? That's the most important thing because you're seeking his righteousness, not just his kingdom. Matthew 6:33. But then from there, you align with a passion project and then your skills to complement that, of course, set goals around it. And it's really simple, right? You don't want to get attached to the goals. It's really by seeking him first, seeking his will, and using everything that I've outlined so far as an outline, as a tool. It's what I had to learn. I used to struggle with a lot of overthinking and like, I got to stick with this system exactly or else, you know, no, our identity is found in Christ, and whatever we do from that is a byproduct of it, right? So, it also helps me become a leader, right? That's what I help young men with, young Christian men of God, become the men that they're created to be, which I believe at its highest point is being a leader for the kingdom, standing up for the kingdom, spreading his word, and modeling after that servant leadership of Christ, but also identifying your purpose and using, a passion project to fuel that. In my case, content, right? And a community soon, and also helping men one on one with that. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link below. But, anyways, from there, right, the beauty of the system is it'll tell you what to act on every single day. So you have your goals, you have your purpose outlined already. Next is to just build a very simple routine under it. So, I like to wake up at 6 a.m., hit the gym, come back home. I used to take cold showers, but, I don't really find a need for that. But record content, plan out my day, and serve my clients, eventually align with ministry. I'll be able to free up time for that, engage in my community, and at the end of the day, it balances all areas of life. Productivity and time management super important, but again, it's all a tool under God's guidance. So yeah, you got your routine, specific steps. Write down just action steps, nothing too complicated. Whatever the Lord puts on your heart, you want to keep a running list of that to implement your purpose every single day. And then finally, what are you focusing on every day? So it's nothing too complicated, right? It just allows me to know what to act on every single day so I could be living out my purpose, stepping into it, and it's not so far off. It's something you could literally act on today. So I highly encourage you to do so, and the Lord will be with you throughout this process. Again, it's His purpose for your life through you as a vessel, and you just got to step into it. That's it. He's waiting for you. That's why you're on this video. Let's go, bro. Right? So also I felt like I should add, an extension of my purpose is obviously being that Christ-centered leader that I talked about, but doing that through content, right? Using it as a platform. I know the gifts He's given me, and obviously alignment helped, with that entire process, right? As you walk that path, you start to reveal your true calling as you go, right? So it's an ongoing process, but continuous growth in Him, and it's beautiful. Like, I live my dream life every single day because of Him, and I'm just remaining in Him, living in the Spirit. Um, but I thought I should mention, right? Part of being a leader for me is content, as I've already mentioned, but that is something, if you feel called to do, step into that, right? I'm still getting clear on the Lord. I know exactly what I help men with right now, getting clear on their calling, becoming a leader, more so growing into that man God created them to be. But also, I really do dream, and He's shown me, of helping young men create kingdom personal brands, just like me, because that's the gift He's given me. Why not help other men who are on the same journey together? Like, that's one of my biggest dreams. So I just thought I should throw that in there, encourage you to do the same for the kingdom. It's all for the kingdom, all for His glory, right? And that's another way that, just speaking on what the Spirit's telling me, but that's another way to live it out. And obviously, eventually, there are monetization routes, but that's, yeah, I wouldn't say too far off, but I would say that's the least amount of focus. It's more about using your talents, gifts, and abilities to live out your calling, live out your purpose, get clear on that, enjoy that fulfillment, wake up excited every single day, not be distracted by pleasures or this world, and really be used by the Lord, right? And using that purpose to transform lives, being a good steward of your gifts. And for me, the best way of doing that He's revealed to me, take action on this right now so He can reveal that to you, is through content and one-on-one coaching. So that's essentially the full guide. You want to continuously be renewing your mind, staying in your word to become more Christ-like along the way, but also knowing that you're doing everything for the kingdom. Those are really the last steps to really put it out every single day, and He'll do the rest, right? We do 20% of the work, He does 80%, because once you get clear on that and you're acting on it every single day, right, He's not just going to bless you. I realize it's not about the blessings. It's about His will being carried out through you as a vessel, and you experiencing, you get to be on the sideline of that, right? Obviously, He's using you, but you get to be on the sideline of that and be living it out every single day. And it's the best feeling ever. Like, there will be supernatural favor on your life. There will be supernatural blessings, yes, but it's just a byproduct of aligning with His will. And I encourage you to act on that today. So, boys, I will be launching a community soon, right? you know, I'm 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 planning on launching a school community later on, maybe even putting together a guide so that, you guys don't have to hear me yap for 20 minutes. You can actually go ahead, go through a free guide, get clear on it, whatever. It's probably going to be based on this video to really implement, get clear on your purpose, and carry it out every single day, right? So that's the mission. That's my mission, to serve young men that He called me to, and really build an army of kingdom men, right? Making that impact, making that purpose happen for His glory. And so, yeah, if you feel led to, get my one-on-one guidance below, honestly, I would love to help you out. Book a call, and we could strategize on how to practically implement that in your life if you feel like you need that additional help. But if not, and you found any value from this video at all, please leave a sub, a like, and comment whatever the Lord's putting on your heart. It's just going to help this message reach other young men who, are seeking that purpose and wanting to align with their kingdom calling. So thank you so much for watching until the end. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.